bad. And the other two, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, it's going to be a super Saturday tomorrow in terms of numbers. Gaurav is now joining in. Gaurav, let's start with HDFC Bank. Of course, everyone's watching out for their maiden bonus. But in terms of numbers, walk us through the expectations.
Well, yes, when it comes to HDFC Bank, we already know that loan book growth was at around 7% on a year-on-year basis. Deposit growth was at around 16%. And on back of this, now people are expecting single-digit growth in terms of profitability. So let's understand the numbers in detail. Net interest income is expected to grow almost at a rate of 5%. Now, there is an impact on net interest margin, and this is because of the rate cut. They are expecting impact anywhere between 15 to 16 basis points for HDFC Bank. And as a result, when we talk about the PPOP, we are likely to see the same trend going ahead as well. They are expecting around 8% growth in terms of the operating profit. Now, first quarter is usually weak for agri segment, and that is the reason why slippages may go up. But at the same time, Street is not expecting any kind of negative surprise in terms of credit cost. In fact, what they're expecting is that 0.5% of credit cost on a quarter-on-quarter basis is something that bank can deliver and maintain. And that is the reason profitability is likely to increase just by 6% on a year-on-year basis. Again, following the same trend as what we have seen in net interest income. Now, a key thing to watch out for is the loan book growth outlook, because earlier the management had said that in FY26, bank can grow at a pace of industry, and in FY27 they can outpace the industry. So that is something which is we are watching out for. Second is that commentary on net interest margins. Let's see how much of the rate cut has been passed on, what the management has to say in terms of net interest margins compression in the quarters coming ahead. And third is that the CD ratio. Now, in this quarter specifically, HDFC Bank CD ratio has come down to 96.5%, but they had said that in the medium to long term, they will take it to 85 to 90% where they find comfort. So any kind of commentary around that is something, a crucial thing to watch out for. But as of now, steady state of number is what we're expecting from HDFC Bank in first quarter.